This is a look at the genuine Gerber 87-215 tub and shower rebuild kit. This is for the 3-handle tub and shower. Got a list of everything that comes with it right here. All the parts that come with it are numbered. The list is there. Set that off to the side. And this. This is everything that comes in the kit. You get some washers and some seats here. The 3 handles, the 3 cartridges, the index button and screw. Of course you get 3 of those also for each of the handles. The trim. Here. And then of course the list of parts that come with it over here. So we'll get a few measurements. As you can see, these sleeves are chrome along with everything else. Smooth on the inside here and then threaded right there. And it's about a little over 3.5 inches there, and then the inside diameter is right at 1 inch. So that's for those. Put that back in here in a second. And then you can see the screw comes with these as well. The inside diameter is a little over 2 inches, and then a little over 1 inch there. And then the handle, about 2¼ inches. Almost 2.5 inches there. And then about 1 inch there. These are pretty small. We'll go about 3/4 inch. And 1/2 inch, and then the washers are about 1 inch. The cartridge is about 5 3/4. And then about 1/4 inch there. Once again, this is the genuine Gerber 87-215 tub and shower rebuild kit.